applied more than 200, so it's difficult to find a job at the beginning.
At the beginning. So you were working for an education consultancy,
Yeah.
helping students to go
Going
abroad.
yeah.
Right, and then you decided, okay, why should I leave the opportunity? That's fantastic. With this, we have a lot of audience from Nepal, so they'll be happy to hear your experience.
Yeah, and a video channel.
Our channel is called Study Abroad with Piyush. We are interviewing students from all over UK who are studying, who have full-time jobs, who have visa sponsorship jobs, and sort of.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
But yeah, we are still here at the University of West London. I'm going to see if we can find some students around about. Excuse me, guys. Are you guys studying at University of West London? Yeah, actually, I'm Piyush. I've come from India. We have a YouTube channel. We talk to students from different universities. Would you like to talk about your studies at West London? We can just walk and talk if that's okay. So hi, thanks for taking time. Can you just please introduce yourself, like your name, where are you from?
My name is Dimiri and I'm from Nepal.
Yeah,
I am currently studying in University of West London.
yeah.
And my course is MSc Financial Risk Management.
Financial risk management.
Yeah.
That's a difficult course.
Actually, I'm interested in finance. My previous background is on finance,
And what did you do in
educational as a consultant.
So you were working for an education consultancy,
Yeah.
helping students to go abroad.
Yeah.
Right, and then you decided, okay, why should I leave the opportunity? That's fantastic.
So guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now.
How about you?
She's just new here.
Okay.
She just come 3 days ago.
And so nice of you to help her out. And what course have you come here for?
Luxury Hospitality Management Program.
A luxury management program. Very different programs for both of you. What were you doing back in Nepal?
I studied bachelor's in business studies.
Bachelor's in business studies. And did you also have experience before you came? No, so you came direct. No, that's great. Fantastic. So how has been your experience, Sagar, on so far that you have been, now you've been here for almost like what, 7 months?
Almost 7 months.
Almost 7 months. So how has been your experience? How are you finding the studies here?
At the beginning, I was so scared. I was scared
Yeah.
about how to go to college by bus, how to
Yeah.
manage my transportation and my rent.
Right.
So that's difficult. But now right now I'm comfortable.
Right. No, that's great. And in this time, have you been able to get any part-time job, any internships?
I applied for the part-time job and I got it.
Right.
Luckily, I got it.
Yeah.
That's my.
And where are you working part-time?
I work at Walton and Thames at Warehouse. It's just a pub.
It's a pub, Walton and no, that's great. And what role do you do there?
I work as a kitchen assistant.
I'm sure, I don't know if you had any experience in being a kitchen assistant back in India because you were a counselor there.
We just missed our way.
Oh, whichever way we want to go, we can walk towards with you. You need to go this way?
I'm just confused about it. See the map.
So what is the meeting about? You're going for like some project discussion?
No, she's going for online enrollment.
Oh, so you're getting in. Oh, so you're just starting out, bilkul fresh. No, that is fantastic. Do you also have other friends from Nepal here?
Yeah.
You have a good community. And do you find it easy to make friends here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need a bag. Go back.
Okay, that's okay. Yes.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm just.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
So how did you get to find this part-time job?
I applied through Indeed.
Through Indeed.
Yeah, through Indeed.
What was the selection process like?
Call me and call an interview. And I went for the interview and
So this was interview in person?
yeah, interview in person.
Right.
They are so nice people and they like me and I
Yeah.
like them.
Yeah.
So I started doing the job
Yeah.
till now.
So you've been working with them for how long? 3 months. Ah, nice. And did you have another part-time job before that?
No.
So that was your first part-time
I
job.
applied more than 200 different hotels, different care homes.
Right.
So it's difficult to find a job at the beginning.
At
But
the
right
beginning.
now I'm comfortable and I have experience of 3 months
Right.
and then I'm confident about other part-time job. Sorry.
Confident about like if you need to change
Yeah,
and you
change
can
the job.
yeah
I'm
because now you
confident.
have local experience as
Yeah.
well. No, that is great and I think that's very, very helpful. But what do you think about your future in financial risk management or in finance?
I hope you've been enjoying these interviews. But if you want to understand more about your study abroad plans, and if you are looking to study abroad in any country in the world, me and my team, we help you guys in understanding your profile, helping you with your university applications, and getting you your study visa for studying abroad. So, guys, if you want to learn more about what you can study abroad, then send me a WhatsApp on this number below and I will reply to you and connect with you. Also, this WhatsApp number is available in the description, so you can pick it out from there as well. Now, let's get back to our interview.
But what do you think about your future in financial risk management or in finance?
I want to become a financial analyst, and I
Yeah.
want to go back my home
Right,
and to give some idea, to give some knowledge about finance.
right.
So that's the thing.
So your aim is to go back to Nepal and
Yeah.
actually work in Nepal,
Yeah,
and you're using
Sorry.
this as an opportunity to change your career line.
yeah.
Right. But during your post-study work permit here, do you plan to stay here or you will go immediately after completing your study?
But I will work on my skills related to finance.
So are you applying for jobs or you are looking for roles in financial companies?
No,
Not
I
yet?
have more than 1 year time,
Right.
so I don't decided it.
Yeah.
So I'm just looking, not totally involved in that.
You're right. You're still focusing on your
Yeah,
education.
yeah.
A lot to learn from your experience, and good to see you. You are starting out absolutely new and just enrolling in your class. So a lot of best wishes to you, and a lot of good luck to you as well. I think with this we have a lot of audience from Nepal, so they'll be happy to hear your experience.
Yeah, and a YouTube channel.
Our channel is called Study Abroad with Piyush. We are interviewing students from all over UK who are studying, who have full-time jobs, who have visa sponsorship jobs, and sort of bringing out their learnings. So if you want to have more such knowledge, do subscribe to our channel. We
Yeah.
share a lot of this information. Our channel is Study Abroad with Piyush and you're watching it there. So subscribe and stay tuned with more such valuable insights. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for your time and thank you both of you. We ran into you to just, and made you go the wrong way also. Sorry. So, yeah. But thank you guys. Thank you so much. We'll let you go back to your work and good luck. Good luck in future. Yeah. Nice to meet you too. Yeah.
So, if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.